What's up, everybody? What's going on out there? We'll be doing our first unboxing of 2021 this year. We're going to be doing our first unboxing of 2021 at TrysumTech, and we're just going to get it out the way and start off one of the hottest items this holiday season, the PS5. So we have here the PS5 Disk Edition that Santa gave us this year, and we're gonna go right on and see what is in the box. Hopefully you guys were able to secure yours. If not, keep on trying. I know that a lot of retailers are restocking, and hopefully you'll get yours soon. So let's see what's going on in the box. Let's get it out. We have another box. Let's see what we got in here. All right. We have, let's see what's in this box right here. All right, it looks like we got the PlayStation, some manuals, we got the safety guide, and their quick start guide over here. We also have the power cable. And then, what else we got over here? Oh, we have the controller, the PS5. This is a DualSense controller. All right. This looks pretty sweet. And it's got, looks like what, USB-C charging. Oh, cool. Oh, okay. Press the PlayStation logo button, and I guess that's how you turn it on. But we'll set that up shortly. Then we have the charging cable for the controller. This is USB to USB-C charging cable for the controller. Next we have an HDMI cord and the stand for the PlayStation. So that's in that first box. So we got the HDMI cord, we got the USB-C cord to charge the controller, I guess, or to power it up. Then we have the power cable, the PlayStation stand, the DualSense controller, and a couple of manuals, a starting guide and a safety guide. Yeah, man, this shit looks pretty dope. Really excited to get some gaming on this. Feels nice. All right, so now moving on to the main attraction over here. Here we go. There it is, the the PS5. Put this back in. So here it is, the PS5 Disk Edition. Like I think I mentioned in my previous video, I never owned a PlayStation before, so really excited to finally own a PlayStation. And this looks really nice. You got your USB and USB-C ports in the front. You have two more USB ports in the back. You have an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, and a power connection back there. It's got a little the Sony logos. I don't know if you could see it if the camera picks it up by the lip in the back. And then it says Sony right here on the top edge of the inside edge of the PlayStation. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's just see how quickly I saw it swivel. Why did it swivel? Have to first put it in. No, that wouldn't make sense, right? I think this is just basically it right there. There it is. That's the stand. Looks like. Well, actually, let's just take a look real quick. Oh, it's gonna want to put a screw and some other stuff. I'm gonna save that for the setup video. Actually, yeah, I see the screw right here. So we'll save that. This actually could go horizontal as well. And yeah, we'll take a look and see how we want to place it. You know, I think a lot of people have it vertically, but we might actually put it horizontally. Just make sure we got good airflow. So. What's up, guys? Now I'm going to show you how to set up the PS5 vertically and horizontally. First, we're going to start off with the vertical setup. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver for this. So you're going to go first and you're going to locate the screw hole cap at the bottom of the PlayStation 5. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver and pry the cap off, or you can use any other tool. Once you remove the cap, you're going to take the base and remove the silver screw that's located in the bottom of it. And you can store the screw hole cap also in the base. Then you're going to take the base and slide it from the rear of the PlayStation 5 and align the two holes. Once the holes are aligned, go ahead and put in the screw and tighten the screw all the way. And that's it. Once the screw is tightened all the way, your stand is secure and you can use the PlayStation 5 vertically. Now I'm going to show you guys how to set up the PlayStation 5 horizontally. Go ahead and remove the stand from the bottom of the PlayStation 5 by removing the screw. Once you remove the screw, you can go ahead and take the screw hole cap from the bottom of the base and plug the screw hole back up, and take the screw and store it in the base as well. Then you're going to take the base and you're going to rotate the base until you see the position it's in now. Then you're going to take the PlayStation 5, on the back of the PlayStation 5 by the lip, you're going to locate two square icons, and you're going to slide the base right onto those two icons. And that's it. There you go. It is set up horizontally and you're ready to go. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to connect the PlayStation 5 to your TV or monitor. You're first gonna wanna locate the HDMI port on the back of your TV and plug in the HDMI cable. Next, you're gonna locate the HDMI port on the back of the PlayStation 5 and plug in the other end of the HDMI cord to that port. Next is the power cord. Go ahead and take one end of the power cord and plug it in to the power port on the back of the PlayStation 5. Then you're gonna take the other end and plug it into your AC outlet. This pretty much covers connecting the PlayStation 5 to your TV. Now we're gonna cover the initial setup once you power on the PlayStation for the first time. It's going to ask you to adjust the display area first. Use the up and down arrow keys to adjust accordingly. It will ask you if you have a game to insert it now. I do not have a game, so I'm going to hit continue without disk. Next is the power options for rest mode. You have 3 options: optimize experience, low power use, and custom. I selected optimize experience. After that, you have the software license agreement. Go ahead and agree and hit confirm. That will then take you to the first update that the PlayStation will be doing. So go ahead and confirm that system update, let it update, and the PlayStation 5 will restart after it completed downloading the update. After your PS5 finishes restarting, go ahead and hit the PS5 button on your controller. And it's going to ask you now for an update to your wireless controller, the DualSense controller. So go ahead and click update now and let that update run. Once the wireless update is completed, it's then going to ask you to sign in with your PSN ID. Go ahead and enter your PSN ID or create one now. After that's entered, it's going to ask for some additional information regarding your account, like your first and last name. You can go ahead and enter that information. Then it's going to ask you to choose a profile for your privacy settings. As you go over each profile option, it will give you a brief description of the privacy settings. Go ahead and pick the profile that best applies to you. It will then ask you for another prompt for some data collection if you want to opt in. And then it will ask you two more security setups in regards to your PSN account. And finally, it will ask you for a mobile number if you'd like to add it in case you forget your password. Then it will ask for any apps that you may have that you want to download into the system. Go ahead and select the apps that you want. And after that, you'll be all set. You'll get the welcome to PlayStation 5 screen. And at this point, it's going to take you to the home screen and you can go ahead and start using the PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching the video. Leave your comments below. I'll catch you next time. Mic check.